How guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make a fridge. Yes, a fridge. Let's start. Let's make a map, and first you need a quartz block and a dispenser and random buttons. Out and place the dispenser right here. Put the quartz block here and here. And as a decoration, let's put up right here and right here. Voila. And some slabs on the corners. Voila. Does not look like a fridge, but this is a temporary. You can make a lot of space. And just put some food. I'm gonna put 64 steaks. What? Okay, I'm gonna put all of them. Come on. And voila. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe.